What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 credit repair scams on YouTube and how to avoid them. The easy answer is don't sign up for their services. Be careful. So coming in at number 5 is Expert Credit Sweeps. I'll put a screenshot up here of her channel, but I believe she's changed the name. I guess I should have checked that before I started making the video, but I'm also going to play a little short clip for y'all where she got in trouble selling social security numbers and something else and was facing like 20 years in prison. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, a lot of people on Yelp with their reviews were saying that she basically just took their money and run and didn't do any kind of work, no kind of deletions, no kind of improvements. But I'm going to play that clip right now, and then I'll go into number 4.
A Clifton Park woman is spending the night in the Saratoga County Jail without bail. State police say Kristen Vargas had more than 80 fraudulent Western Union and MoneyGram orders, totaling more than $46,000. She's been charged with possession of a forged instrument.
Coming in at number 4 is Crown Credit Pro. Again, I'll leave a screenshot of their channel. As you can see, they're not very consistent with their posting. They haven't had reviews in a very, very long time. But they have people like the Credit Plug who talk about them. I'm sure they pay them to promote them, which, hey, that's fine. That's what people do. But they're known for doing credit sweeps. They get you deletions really, really fast, but they charge thousands of dollars, and the stuff's going to come right back on your report. Coming in at number 3 is Lexington LW, the most popular, the biggest credit repair company in the United States, and they're being sued for millions of dollars for the telemarketing rule. And also they're being sued because they charge a processing fee. 5 days later, they charge your first monthly fee, and then on day 30, they charge another monthly fee. So you're going to pay 3 fees within a 30-day period with them. Coming in at number 2. And number 2 and number 1, I couldn't decide which one to go with, but it's going to be Rose Credit Repair out of Texas. This lady was caught doing basically credit sweeps, the fake identity theft, doing police reports for all of her clients. But she's still on YouTube. Don't ask how, but she's still on YouTube. So be careful with Rose Credit Repair. Coming in at number 1, and the reason the number 1 is Pinnacle Credit Repair. Now he goes by Pinnacle Credit Management. Him and Expert Credit Sweeps do what scammers love to do, and they change the names of their channel to try to trick you. But the only reason that I put him number 1 is because he's doing it internationally. Meaning he's not even in the States. He's doing this from another country, which is Vietnam. So what did we get out of this video? Do not sign up for any of these companies. And this is not me trying to promote my company above everybody else. Even though, just like any other company, I feel it's the number 1 credit repair company you can sign up with. You don't have to sign up with me just because I don't want you to sign up with them. I don't want you to sign up with them because I don't want them to steal your money. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.